Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Hello?
Hello?
Hello? Hello? Hello?
Oh, hello, Barney.
Hello? 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 Hello?
Bonjour.
Hi.
How you doing there? Yellow? Hello?
Hello.
Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Yo, yo.
Hello? 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 Hello?
It's finally here. The first phone to beat the iPhone. It surfs the web and downloads data twice as fast for half the price. Introducing the new iPhone 3G.
I think it's the same.
Introducing the next iPhone. It's the iPhone you love. Now with video. Just one of the amazing new features on the iPhone 3GS, the fastest, most powerful iPhone yet.
If you don't have an iPhone, you don't have the App Store. So you don't have the world's largest selection of apps that are this easy to find and this easy to download right to your phone. So it can be almost anything, like a boarding pass, or do almost anything, like pay for your coffee. Yup, if you don't have an iPhone, well, you don't have an iPhone.
What's my day look like?
Not bad. Only 2 meetings today.
Can I walk to the Belvedere Hotel from here?
Here are directions to Belvedere Hotel.
Read me that text.
New message from Sarah Russell. See you soon.
Do you think it will snow today?
It sure looks like snow today.
Say hello to Siri on the most amazing iPhone yet.
Your thumb. It goes from here to here. This bigger screen goes from here to here. Now, that's either A, an amazing coincidence, or B, a dazzling display of common sense. Pretty sure it's the common sense thing.
Tell them about the new trends.
This is the new iPhone 6.
And this is the new iPhone 6 Plus.
They're the biggest iPhones ever made.
They're huge.
Yeah, but their size is just the beginning.
Even though they're huge.
Sure, but they could change the way you see the world.
Oh, that is so huge.
They could improve your health.
Huge!
They're the biggest, most powerful iPhones ever made. Stop it, please. Stop it. Thank you.
Huge.
Oh.
Wow. Big boy pants in my pockets is thick. Got a big key chain hang straight from my hip. Got a big boy bag, got a big boy drip. Make a little girl sad cause a big boy rich. Big boy pants in my pockets is thick. Got a big key chain hang straight from my hip. Got a big boy bag, got a big boy drip. Make a little girl sad cause a big boy rich.
you.